guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this product. It is called the Samnyte Hair Finishing Stick. I will link it in my bio, but basically my friend got it for me for Christmas because she said I wanted it, and it was like under $10, so I didn't feel too bad asking. But yeah, essentially it's for your flyaways, and I have crazy flyaways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on. I'll do a before picture and after picture, and then when I get home, we can see how it held up during the day. I have already brushed my hair with my brush from Wish from years ago, and I've got my hair bands to put it up from Five Below. Alright, so let's just do my hair like I normally do it. I usually do like a mid to high ponytail. If anyone has any other ideas, let me know. I can braid my hair down, but I can't do like that fancy French braiding stuff. I've tried, or Dutch braids, all that fancy cool stuff I can't do. I think I can go around. Oh, nope, it doesn't want me to go around again? No, it has to. It must. Ah! Got it. Hehe. Okay, so let's see, like maybe like a side profile. Can you see the flyaways? It's like, yeah, you can see them there, and then if I turn my head that way, you can kind of see them. I guess they're not too bad today, to be honest, but it's still like, here. See that? Oh. Okay, I promise it's been really bad before. Maybe it's because I showered. There! Oh, look at that. Let me pause and take a before picture. And now, it's basically like mascara, except whatever liquid in here is magical and clear. Okay, so I'm just going to run it along like that. And if you can't see, it's already sticking. It's a little bit hard because my hair is already in a ponytail, but that's just the way I did it. All right, it's kind of got like a curve to it, I guess, like it's like flat and then round, so I'm not sure how to do this, but I think what I'm doing is working. All right, so it's like it's a little wet, but you can already tell, like, well, I think I can tell it's working. All right, let's do the right side. Oh, whoops. I don't know what to do with that. Ow! Okay, if this goes against your skin, it kind of hurts. I think we're good. Woohoo! Yay! Yeah, so it's like a little wet, but it's not like hard and crinkly. I'll give it like 10 minutes to like dry or whatever, and I'll take this with me. But yeah, all right, here comes the after picture. So, initial thoughts, it works. Here's a close-up. And yeah, so I will be back with like a midpoint review and then like a final review. Quick update, I took the train, I went to CVS, I picked up food, and I waited in a very hot line to get upstairs somewhere, and this is what my hair looks like now, so I think it's holding up pretty well. So it's the next day. I took the train home, ate some dinner, went to sleep. I wanted to give my final thoughts on the hair finishing stick. Even after keeping it in, my hair didn't feel like hard or anything. It still felt pretty smooth, which I liked. It's also super portable, so honestly, just take it with you, and for touch-ups and things like that. But I definitely recommend it. I think that it did the job and was at the right price. General consensus, I like it. Go get one. I'm gonna try announcing what the next video is for you guys to know what's up, but also to keep myself accountable. We'll see if that pans out, but yeah. I think that the next one I'm doing is either going to be a little Bumble experiment I did with my friend Kate and Anissa, or another product review. Specifically, it's all about my skin, or my eyes, or my hair. Ooh, so much coming. All right, bye, thanks for watching.